Hi friends, welcome to Cuisine Trick. Today I have decided to make a video where I will show you how do I organize my fridge. You can really see that it's completely disorganized and it's really gonna give me hard time. So let's get started.
I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and I'm breaking into. I can't make it. So will you save my life? Tonight, I'm talking in my sleep, and I'm tired of feeling.
So first and foremost, I'm just segregating all these stuffs and keeping it in a separate container so that it's easy for me to get it whenever I need it.
Will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go inside my head. There's no place left to hide where your memory and found me in. Tonight, there's nothing left to dream. And it's broken now.
See friends, this is how does it looks after I arrange all my stuffs. Trust me, it's really gonna make your life much more easier, especially if you are working and especially on a busy day, and if you really need it, it's all handy. So go for it. I'm pretty sure you will love it.
Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and bright.
This is especially for the non-vegetarian people like me. You can organize the meat or the fish like this and keep it in the deep fridge. So it really helps your stuffs to be fresh. So my next step will be to clean my refrigerator, and I have also kept all my stuffs outside so that once it's clean I can place it in an order.
I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams.
Hi friends, so you can see that my husband has just stepped in and he's helping me out, as it's gonna be really difficult if you're doing all alone by yourself.
You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars.
It's now time to organize my deep fridge, so I'm keeping all my ice cubes into ice tub.
Times when we watched the spark so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me. Too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me. Too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me. Too.
Now it's time for me to keep all my vegetables into the basket. So here I'm going to keep all the vegetables which are literally big in size so that it's easy for me to get it whenever I really need to make veggies.
Did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true.
Now this small tray will help you to keep small things like tomato, lemon and green chili, and it's easily accessible as well.
You, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the spark so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me.
Here you go with the fresh room where I'm keeping the milk and the other stuffs like mushroom, paneer, and this will help to keep the stuffs fresh and healthy.
And we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the spark so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me.
It's all set and let's take a fridge tour now.